If you want to understand exactly how your ads are performing and which clicks are turning into real results, conversion tracking is one of the most powerful tools you can use in Google Ads. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to set it up properly so you can measure and optimize your advertising performance with confidence. Let's begin. Start by going to the Google Ads homepage and click Sign In to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard, the control center for all your campaigns. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout. Knowing where things are makes the setup smoother. Next, look to the left-hand menu and click on Goals. This is where you define what success looks like for your campaigns. In other words, the actions you want users to take after interacting with your ads. From there, click Conversions. This is the section where all your conversion tracking data will be managed and stored. Now, click on New Conversion Action. This button starts the setup process for tracking a specific type of action. Depending on your business goals, you can choose to track website actions, app installs, or phone calls. For this guide, let's focus on phone call conversions since they're a common goal for businesses that rely on calls for sales or service inquiries. After selecting phone calls, you'll see several options that allow you to customize how these conversions are tracked. For example, you can define what kind of phone interactions you want to count as a conversion, whether it's calls from ads, calls from your website, or clicks on a phone number. You'll also need to decide on key tracking settings such as call duration. This helps you filter out short, accidental calls and only count genuine inquiries or leads. Another important step is assigning a conversion value to each action. This can help you better understand the return on investment for each call that comes through your ads. Once you've entered your preferences, click Create and continue to finish setting up the conversion action. You'll then be guided on how to implement the necessary tracking tag or phone call tracking feature. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to make sure the tracking is correctly connected to your campaigns. After setup, your Google Ads account will start collecting valuable data on how users interact with your ads. You'll be able to see which ads, keywords, and campaigns generate the most conversions, allowing you to make data-driven decisions to improve performance. And that's it. You've successfully set up Google Ads conversion tracking. From here, you can monitor your metrics, adjust your bids, and refine your targeting based on real, measurable outcomes. Remember, effective advertising isn't just about clicks, it's about actions that lead to results. With conversion tracking in place, you'll gain the insights you need to continually improve your ad strategy and drive more meaningful outcomes for your business. Thanks for following along. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out the rest of our Google Ads tutorials to keep mastering every part of your advertising strategy.